You hit the mute button.
Good job. So we are drinking. What is it?
This is Victory. That's the brewery. Old Horizontal Barley Wine Style Ale.
And why is it called horizontal?
'Cause it'll get you drunk! Make it horizontal! Like Matt. It's named after Matt because he always goes from sitting up straight. Slowly does one of these.
That's when we know we need to stop at the end of the night. Because Matt sits like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Well, Matt commented on the sediment. There is quite a bit of sediment in it. Matt's a bitch and doesn't like sediment, and all he does is complain when there's sediment.
Oh my God, it's like eating a sandwich in my beer. Blah, blah, blah. You never said that.
No, I never did.
I'm making that his words.
The head at the top is really thin, but it's kind of like fluorescent green, yellowish. It's kind of weird.
And it's long
Oh,
lasting.
I'll go with yellow, slightly yellow. I don't see the green.
I see the lime green.
I'll go with lime.
Freaks me out. The smell. Does anyone else want to speak?
They blew it up on the TV.
Speak.
Yes, they did blow it up on the TV, Matt.
Speak.
I really have no comment about this.
Except for the sediment.
Aside from the sediment.
It's got a kind of sour taste.
Yeah.
I would say it's pretty standard. I'm gonna give it a. It doesn't taste bad. I've been
It's not
good
as bad
for
as the
Flying dog.
flying.
No, I'm
the
maybe
flying dog was
like
good.
the horn dog.
The horn dog was good. It was the dogfish added, or was it the?
That's what it was. No?
The dogfish I don't think you liked.
I don't know. It was bad.
Anyway, you can all check it out on the blog.
Yeah. I give this. It's kind of average. Like I give it 2.75. It's a little above average.
I'm just gonna give it a 3.
What about you?
It's really funny that, given all the sediment, I was actually going to go so far as to give it a 3.5 because it almost reminds me of an IPA.
Wow. Shit.
Suck on that, sediment bitch.
But you're the sediment bitch. He's speechless. That never happened.
So I turn that camera off.
Yeah.
You never gave it the final rating.
Yeah.
Well, it averages out to about a 3.
Okay. Now I can turn the camera on.
That's a 3! 3 steins! Ha ha ha!
1, 2, 3!